Hello automotive enthusiasts, welcome to another exciting episode of Horsepower Happenings, where we delve into the latest developments in the world of high-performance vehicles. Today we'll explore some of the most powerful cars recently unveiled, discuss the ongoing debate about horsepower limits, and highlight the latest news from the automotive industry. Have you ever wondered how much horsepower is too much? This question has sparked debates among automotive enthusiasts and manufacturers alike. Some argue that excessive horsepower can lead to diminished driving pleasure, suggesting that a limit could enhance the overall driving experience. For instance, a proposal has been made to set a cap on horsepower for new cars, aiming to balance performance with safety and driving enjoyment. In the realm of high-performance vehicles, manufacturers continue to push the boundaries of power and innovation. Ford has recently unveiled the 2025 Shelby Mustang Supersnake, equipped with a 5.0L Coyote V8 engine and a 3.0L Whipple supercharger, delivering over 830 horsepower. This limited production model, with only 300 units available, is priced at $170,165, reflecting its exclusivity and performance capabilities. Similarly, Ferrari has introduced the F80 hypercar, featuring a 4WD powertrain with a V6 engine producing 900 horsepower, complemented by 3 electric motors, bringing the total output to 200 horsepower. This hypercar showcases Ferrari's commitment to blending traditional performance with modern, hybrid technology. On the other hand, some manufacturers are embracing a more minimalist approach. Nilu 27 has unveiled the Nilu Hypercar, a 1,000 horsepower vehicle that rejects modern electric powertrains and digital displays in favor of a raw, analog driving experience. This limited production car, priced at $3.7 million, appeals to purists seeking a return to traditional performance. In the world of racing, horsepower remains a critical factor. NASCAR, for example, has implemented tapered spacers to regulate engine output, ensuring competitive balance and safety. These adjustments have led to a reduction in horsepower, demonstrating the sport's commitment to maintaining fair competition. As we look ahead, the automotive industry continues to evolve, balancing the pursuit of higher horsepower with considerations of safety, environmental impact, and driving enjoyment. The debate over horsepower limits and the direction of high-performance vehicle development remains dynamic, reflecting the diverse preferences and priorities of both manufacturers and consumers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest in high-performance vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things horsepower. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion for performance alive.